What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another trade recap. What is up, everybody? I'm gonna just do a trade recap off of this trade today. Um, I got cooked once again. I lost $186 today. I ended up taking two trades today, and so yeah, boys, I'm gonna basically show you guys what I did that made me lose today, I guess. So let's go ahead and get started right here on the 4 hour and on the 1 hour, right? So overall on the daily time frame, yes, we are bullish. We go to the 4 hour, we are technically bullish on the 4 hour, but once we scale down to the 1 hour, we created some breakout structure to the downside, sweeping out these lows, right? So we swept out London sessions low, we took out Asia sessions low, and then we go down to the 30 minute. We had this 30-minute demand zone with a gap in between. Okay, so now we go to the 15 minute. So now we scale down to the 15 minute. Okay, as you guys can see here, so basically what I'm going for is sells. Reason why I just basically said everything. Oh, you just said that you guys have that we swept out these lows, right? We created new lows, we created breakout structure to the downside, right? So we created some breakout structure to the downside, and we were going technically against or with the EMAs on the 5 minute, but on the 15 minute, we're technically going against them, right? Right here on the Asia session low, we never closed below it on the 15 minute. We never closed below it. We go to the 5 minute, okay? I decided to enter this trade right here once we close below the 13 EMA. Stop loss right here, and my take profit was gonna be a 1 to 2. We didn't even tap the 1 to 1. I was gonna go for the 1 to 2, break even once it tapped into this 30-minute demand zone, and this never happened. I got stopped out, and I was like, okay. I was like, what I want to look for now is either a candle to close again on the 13 EMA, right? So once I got stopped out around this area, I decided to enter one more time, but I entered off the wrong candle. I should have entered at least right here and have my stop loss above the 200, but I decided to have my stop loss so tight where this candle was the one that stopped me out, and this candle was still the candle that I should have taken. Look at this candle that I took. This candle has literally wick and a body. This one has mostly the body than over the wick. This is basically 50% wick, 50% body. This is like 70% body, 30% wick. I should have taken this trade right here, and this would have recovered my loss for a 1 to 2 RR, bro. This should have been the trade. And even if I did join this trade, I even told myself, bro, if there's a tight stop loss, have it at a high or have it above the 200 EMA. And I didn't do that. I entered off of two contracts. I entered this trade right here. And even if I had it above the 200, look at that. I would have entered and won the trade still. So this literally just, oh, bro. I don't know why. I don't know why I've been like so unfocused lately. But this is just complete garbage on my end, bro. Because the trades that I'm literally looking at and my bias are winning. They're winning, bro. If you go to last week, my weekly recap video, I basically won every, well, bias way. My bias basically won every trade, bro. And like overall, bro, the only thing that I didn't like about this trade was that we were not closing below the 15 on Asia session. Like we weren't closing below the what am I saying? We weren't closing below right here during under Asia session slow. We never closed below it here on the 15 minute, right? So we never closed below it, and so that's the only thing that I didn't like. But either way, bro, If I decided to enter for buys, I would have still lose. This would have been my first trade on the 5 minute. And then I would have entered probably again right here. And you would have ended up losing again. Two trades. And it would have taken a third trade. Like if you wanted to enter right here, stop loss a little bit tighter, like right there. Or if you wanted to enter off of the 15 right here, like you would have not even caught the 101 just yet, bro. Like this trade still hasn't won. It's still playing out, but still, like, it's it's just so unfortunate, bro, that this shit is happening. Like, what it's like questioning me, like, bro, what am I doing wrong, bro? What am I doing wrong? I just gotta be more focused on these trades, bro. Like on some real stuff. And right here on gold, this trade ended up winning at 845. I was not looking at gold at the time, and it sucks, bro. It literally sucks because all these trades are winning on my end, bro, on my bias end, and I'm not taking profit or I'm losing money, bro, on trades that I should be winning. And this trade, I mean, this trade overall, bro, there was literally no volume. We just had a strong momentum candle to the upside. EMAs weren't even good at all, bro. But I've been realizing once there's a good momentum candle on gold right here, a strong momentum candle, like this is literally good, bro. This is literally good. Like try to take out Asian sessions high, you would have targeted a 1 to 2 RR. Like this is literally clean, bro. Clean breakout. But I didn't take this trade because I was already in this trade right here. Um, at 9 o'clock. Even though I mean I missed it. I missed it. I seen this trade, but I missed it. I wasn't looking at gold at the time, but it genuinely sucks, bro. It genuinely sucks. How? And if we look at ES, ES is not performing well either, bro. Like this is the 830 candle right here, and look what ES is doing. Complete chop. NQ is a little bit better, yeah, but bro, like, oh my god, this is so frustrating, bro. Like I genuinely like. I wouldn't consider a break. Hell no, I wouldn't consider a break. I'm down $750 on this month so far. I mean, I mean, good risk management, bro. Like literally, cause I mean, I can make it back one, two. If I catch like literally like three, 1 to 2 or R's, like I'll literally be good, bro. Which I can, cause I literally mostly trade on the 1 minute now. So yeah, I gotta see. I gotta see what happens this week, next week, and if I ended up with an L, I'm literally with the L month, and that's fine, bro. But I just this is literally so frustrating, bro. But it is what it is. Um, but yeah, boys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.